Hello everyone, in this video I'll show you how to enable or disable the dark mode on your Android phone. First of all, go to your settings option in your mobile. I'm going to settings option and then click on the display. Here you can see the two options, light mode and the dark mode. If you want it to light mode, then you have to click the light mode, and if you want to give it to dark mode, then you have to click on the dark mode. And you can you may click on the switch to dark mode. Here you can schedule the dark mode on or off. Which time you schedule, the phone will automatically going to the dark mode. And here you also some other options for the brightness level, color scheme, refresh rate. Anything you want to change of your display, you can change from here. Thank you for watching.